Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Rosacea skincare tips. Now these are some of the tips and sharings that I had while I was suffering for rosacea for about 2 years. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Number 1, cleansing. There are a lot of types of cleanser you can find on the market, whether it's gel, whether it's foam base, whether it's a cream base, or whether it's oil base. You gotta be very careful with what you use for your cleanser. I don't normally wear makeup outside. What I normally use and wear every single day is sunscreen. When you're looking for a cleanser for your face while you're having your rosacea, it's gotta look for something that's mild, something that's gentle, something that doesn't have fragrance in it, doesn't strip out the natural oil on your face. What happens when you have rosacea is that your skin tends to get dry. That's what happened to my face, and it's a lot drier than how my skin would normally be. So I tend to find a cleanser that will not strip away the natural barrier or the oil on my face, or don't have that kind of tightness. Now it might not be the best cleanser in the world because it's very gentle, but that's what you're gonna do to help to take care of your skin to not natural oil strip away. This is something that I used when I was having my rosacea, Dermaquest. So this is an extra gentle cleanser cream. What's great about this is it doesn't have all the chemicals that would normally strip away the natural oil of on your face, and it's really gentle. And once you finish cleansing your face, it left a residue, but that residue is a barrier that helps to retain the moisture on your skin. So that's why my skin felt awesome after this cleanser and kind of soothed the pimples on my face. Another cleanser that I also found out after using Dermaquest, and it's a lot cheaper. So this is the cleanser that I used, that I found out there's a cheaper alternative to Dermaquest, because Dermaquest was quite expensive when I bought it. So this cleanser is called Extra Gentle Cleanser. When you have rosacea, you gotta look for something that's natural, that's fragrance free, doesn't have any irritants, potential irritants that could further trigger your rosacea or irritate your skin. So definitely look for products that is fragrance free and it's extra gentle. The gentle word needs to be on the product. So this product, it's like cream. If you are looking for a cheaper alternative, I would recommend this. You can buy this on iHerbs. This helps to restore your natural skin barriers on your face with using ceramides. I would recommend this one. What about other types of cleanser? If you normally wear makeup, which I did, so apart from extra gentle cleanser that I use, I also use fragrance free natural cleansing oil, DHC cleansing oil. So I use double cleansing for my face because this is not enough to remove the sunscreen that I use. You gotta find something that's fragrance free. So all the Shu Uemura, like gorgeous cleansing oil, I'm sorry, you gotta stay away from that because it has fragrance. So anything that has fragrance have the potential to trigger rosacea on your skin. I tend to look for stuff that's more natural. So this is basically the main ingredients is olive oil. It doesn't clog your pores, so it helps to remove makeup and the sunscreen on your face. So I would use this together. And then the next step is serum. I did not use any serum. The normal serum that I used before I got a rosacea was a B5 serum. Whenever I put on that serum, my skin was not happy about it. It doesn't do much and it makes it even worse, even red. So I stopped using serum. So what I did at the end is using some cream-based serum that's moisturizing. After serum would be cream. Essentially the cream is like a lid to cover on your face, to cover the moisture on your face, from prevent it from leaving your face. I picked something that's fragrance free and it's extra gentle, doesn't have much in it. It's a very simple cream, but also it's not too oily for my face, because I find that when I put some essential facial oil, my skin tends to not like it. It will get red, and then the next day I will see new pimples on my face. So instead I use Good old CeraVe moisturizing cream. This cream is excellent. Has no added fragrance. It's just very simple face cream for your face. I also used another product because when I was doing some research on the internet, I found some people say that, you know, La Mer could be good for you, and I have this bottle over here. This is the moisturizing cream. It has a lot of fragrance in it. I thought this says miracle broth, right? It's gonna supposed to help restore your skin to how it was. However, I'd say, you know, stay away from this. If your skin is perfectly fine and healed, you can use this again. But if you have rosacea, stay away from fragrance heavy cream. This is very heavily fragrant. I'm not saying that it doesn't help to retain the moisture on my face, but then at the same time it irritates my skin. So I would say stay away from it. Another product that I also use is this Korean Dr. Judd Cicapair cream. It's for sensitive skin. It is for calming and repairing your skin. This is awesome. This cream is awesome because this was meant to be for people who have acne all over the face, and it is slightly green in color, and so it will counterbalance the redness on your face slightly, ever so slightly, so it would make your skin look less red. You can check this out. Once you finish putting your cream on, this is for your daytime care, is to put sunscreen on your face. Sunscreen is particularly important for people who have rosacea. Your rosacea will tend to flare up a lot worse if you don't put sunscreen on. So the sun will actually make your rosacea even worse if you don't put sunscreen on. There are a lot of sunscreen on the market. Some of them are fragrance, some of them are not. Today I'm not gonna go too much into details on sunscreen. Make another video specifically on the topic of sunscreen. But today I'm just focusing on what kind of sunscreen you can use with your rosacea skin. Gotta find something that is with high SPF. Gotta look for products that would also have high protection from UVA. Now UVB is something that would brown your skin, that would make your skin red, and UVA is a ray that ages your skin. So you're gonna look for products that would actually have a all-round broad spectrum protection from UVA and UVB. What I used when I was having my rosacea was this Ulta MD sunscreen. It has SPF 46. This product is specifically designed for people who are prone to acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. This sunscreen is awesome because the texture itself is very creamy and spread out well on your skin. You know, it doesn't leave too bad of a white cast on your face, but it protects your skin. The texture itself is creamy. It doesn't clog your pores, so it's really awesome when it comes to, you know, the sunscreen that protects your skin. And also it has an ingredient that would also help calm down your red skin. It has zinc oxide 9%. It also has a niacinamide, which is the ingredients that help to reduce the appearance of blemishes, discoloration, and photo damaged skin. So this is the ingredients that also helps to make your skin less red. As for your evening routine, what kind of mask you can use for your face? You gotta be very careful with what you choose, because I use some of sheet masks that would actually make my skin look a lot worse. It might not show up right after I've used the mask, but it definitely showed up the next day. When I have my rosacea, my skin was very dry, so I needed to use, because I can't use the serum I normally use, so I can only rely on sheet mask or mask to help to calm down my skin. So I tend to look for products that have a gel-like texture that helps to cool down my skin, and also some really basic moisturizing face mask. Surprisingly, this is something that I found out. This particular fresh rose face mask, it does wonder for my skin. Now, I'm not saying this is right for everybody. You're gonna test it out on your skin, but when I tested out on my face, oh my god, the next day the pimple would be less angry, and it kind of calms my face down instantly, and the next day as well. But unfortunately, this mask is heavily fragranced. It has really strong rose smell in it, but I don't know, maybe, you know, some of the rose ingredients within the product actually help to calm my skin down. It has some calming, soothing effect. It has the cucumber extract and aloe vera gel to help soothe the skin, and an immediate cooling and calming effect. This product just does what it says on the jar, and it does calm my skin down. So you can check this out, fresh rose face mask. This is the expensive version. This jar is quite expensive. An alternative for people who don't have access to fresh or don't have the budget, you can go for other types of sheet mask. So this sheet mask is something that is recommended by my dermatologist at the time I was first visited him. It's this brand, Barrier Repair. It's actually a Japanese branded sheet mask. This sheet mask is very basic, very simple. It's just like a very basic moisturizing mask. It is slightly fragranced, but it's not enough to irritate my skin. This is something that's really good for me, and it does what it does, you know, it calms my skin. When I see any new pimples showing up on my face, I would put on a sheet mask, and then the next day it would kind of calm itself down. So you can look for this type of mask. What are the things that you can avoid? You gotta avoid when you have rosacea. You gotta stay away from anything that has acid in it. So any chemical peel, AHA, BHA, you gotta stay away from that. Those are really harsh chemicals. If you have normal skin, those are perfect ingredients to help to restore and help to make your skin look better by removing the dead skin cell on your face. But when you have rosacea, even though your face has those dead skin cell on the surface, you can't use those chemicals on your face because it will only get worse. You gotta be patient. Yes, it looks bad, but you gotta be patient with it. Another thing is, do not squeeze your acne. Do not squeeze your pimple on your face. They are not normal acne, they are rosacea acne. Do not use any tea tree oil on your face because it doesn't help. Do not treat it as an acne prone skin. Treat it as a very sensitive dry skin, because a lot of the acne product that's available on the market has very strong acids, whether it's AHA or BHA. If you have a normal acne, it would help to make your skin better. But if you have rosacea, please do not use those ingredients in your skincare. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can leave comments down below. Please subscribe my channel if you like the content that I'm sharing. Please stay safe in this coronavirus. Try to stay away from crowded places and stay strong in this situation. I'll speak to you again in my next video. Bye bye!